is November 11th. I'm down here at Taneycomo, Rockaway Beach, Missouri, about a half hour east of Branson. Water temp here is 57 degrees. We had a lot of rain run through here in town about a week ago. Water levels are up, and I'll keep you posted. I haven't caught a smallmouth on Taneycomo in a while. Got a nice smallmouth here, guys. Down at Taneycomo. Peanut butter and jelly jig. He's not huge, but smallmouth are good fighters. Good, I'd say about 2 pounds. I have not caught a smallmouth on Taneycomo in a while. It's been a minute. Come on. Oh, sorry about that, guy. Nice smallie. November 11th. Water temp 56. Nice fish, guys. Yeah, that's my baby right there. There's no 4 or 5, but probably close to 3. Good solid fish. Yeah, look at that. That's a nice one. Do you want to touch him?
No.
No. I like to touch him. Peanut butter and jelly jig. 3/8 ounce. Green pumpkin crawl trailer. Largemouth. Taneycomo, guys, that's where it's at.
I don't like your glasses.
Way less fishing pressure. All right, let's catch another. That's 3 now in a half hour, not even. Pretty good start. This one's even nicer. Woo! You got to experience a good day, Jonathan.
I sure did.
This one's even bigger. I might want to, can you take a picture of this for me?
Yeah.
I might want to put her on the digital scale. I'm guessing about 3.5. Maybe a little bit bigger. Oh no, maybe 3. Actually, it might even be 2 3/4. It's somewhere around there, 2 3/4 to 3. Had a little bit bigger gut. Come on. I'm gonna need a fish removal tool.
She's right here behind your foot.
I can use that one too, yeah. I forgot about that one. No, this one right here. I forgot about this thing. Pop this jig out real quick here. Thought I had it. Got it. Alright. Let's put her on the scale real quick out of curiosity. Hold on a second. What do we got? 2.8, 2.5. I was thinking 2 3/4 and 3. 2.5. It's a nice fish. Get a pick.
Oh. There we go. I was like, what the heck is it not doing?
Is it good?
Now you do all one. Got it.
Did you get me in the picture?
Yes, I got you in the picture.
Okay. Yeah, that was a nice fish. They're out today. Fish on. Hell yeah. Number 5. Woo! There's another solid fish too. I think it's another smallie. It is. Wow. There's smallies in here, but I usually catch largemouth most of the time. Come to Pappy. Yeah. They are loving the peanut butter jelly jig today. These smallmouths are such good fighters. They fight almost twice as hard as a largemouth does. Nice fish. Nice fish. Number 5. There you go.
Yeah, it is.
Another nice one. This is awesome. Number 6. Come on, baby. That's a chunker.
That is a nice one.
That's a chunker.
Yeah, he's pretty big.
Man, you got to get on this train here.
I know, I'm starting to slack over here.
Because days don't happen like this very often.
I need to work the charm.
Another nice largemouth.
Doing good. On that one.
Yeah. They are loving the peanut butter and jelly today. Guys, to sum up today, I did really good down here in Taneycomo. I caught 10. I think only about 2 of them weren't keepers. They're all in that perfect football size, you know, 2.5, 3 pounds. I caught every one of them on a peanut butter and jelly football jig. 3/8 ounce with a green pumpkin crawl trailer. And a lot of fun. Most of my window was from 8 a.m. to about 11, fishing the shade side, pretty close to the bank, between 6 and 12 feet of water. So awesome day. Again, it's November 11th. Water temp was 56 when I got down here. It's 60 now. Awesome day fishing Taneycomo. You guys have got to try it. Until next time, peace.